Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to paint a purple lily pad flower with a green out of focus background and greenish blue water. So let's dive in. First, we will block in the background. For this, we are mixing a soft green with a hint of yellow for a blurred background effect. We are going to use horizontal strokes for the water and circular motions for the green background to give that out of focus look. For this, we're going to use a large flat brush to blend in the two areas, letting the colors fade into each other naturally. I am also adding a bit of brown to the background to create a sense of depth. And don't worry about making it perfect, it's meant to look soft and dreamy. Next, I am adding some blue to the water in short horizontal strokes. I am also adding green and blending in the two colors together to create a ripple effect, which makes the painting look more realistic. Next, I am just adding some yellow and highlighting the background. Next, let's start adding the lily pad. We're starting out with pink and we're going to use a small round brush and paint a shape where the flower will sit. We're also adding some darker purple with a small round brush on the side and bottom for shading. Take your time here. The lily pad should have subtle color variations to look natural. Don't forget to leave tiny gaps between some petals to hint at natural layering. It's these small details that make the flower come alive. Next, we're adding a light lemon yellow on the side and top of the flower to highlight where sunlight hits. Next, I will be using a black pen and just start outlining the flower petals to make them stand out more. I'm also adding some ripples in the water with my black pen to create more realistic looking water. Next, I'm taking my white pen and just adding small highlights on the very top of my flower to give it even more sense of depth. I'm also adding the same touches of highlight on the top of the waters. And after all the small details are done, sign and remove the tape, and then you're done. Thank you so much for painting with me today, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step painting guides. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.